Hello everybody, and welcome to Chef on a Boat, where I'll show you how to create large flavors in small spaces. So today we're going to continue on with our series of keto recipes or low-carb recipes, and we'll be making keto cornbread, which will be perfect for either Thanksgiving or any other time during the year. So let's get out of this chilly wind, head downstairs, and get started cooking. The secret to keeping it low carb is a combination of almond flour and coconut flour. The masarepa will add about 20 grams of carbs to the entire dish, but you can substitute that out if you're concerned about that. I'm going to start preheating my skillet here just before I mix in the liquids. I like to break my eggs in separately into another bowl. That way if I have one that's bad, I don't ruin the whole batter. Alright, let's mix this up. And actually I have one more ingredient to add. And let me get the melted butter here. I'm going to butter up the skillet here a little bit, also on the sides, and it's ready for the batter. Alright, I'll bake this for about 25-30 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on top, and a toothpick comes out clean. Oh, look how golden brown this is. I can't wait to try this. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, bon appetit.